Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Right there, you see I got my 2003 Jeep TJ that I'm doing an LS swap, and I'm going to figure out the neutral safety switch bypass. This is my transmission range sensor plug right here, and I've already opened it up to expose everything at the back. So it's going to go 1 to 5 across. So the first one is fused ignition switch output run. This says power when it's on. Second one's blank. Number 3 is speed sensor ground. Number 4 is transmission temperature sensor signal. Number 5 is park neutral position sense switch. That's the one that's important to me. The next one is your backup lights. I think that's the one I'm going to need to also cut off for the backup lights. And then next one is, the green one is T1 sense, and then T3 sense is number 8. Number 9 is T42 sense, and this white and pink one is T41 sense as well, which is all connected to the transmission temperature, or should I say, this last one is T41 sense, and it is connected along in the circuit with park neutral position sense, but this wire right here just goes back here, so I'm not going to worry about that. So my theory is I'm going to have to hook up this wiring harness. If I ground this and crank it over, I should have some power. So I just verified the NSS bypass for the Jeep, which is easier than I thought. So what I did is I took a multimeter, grounded to the ground strap. This goes down to the starter. I just put a little wire in there, hooked it up to my multimeter. This is my transmission range plug right here. And all you need is this black and white wire. Pin number, what was it, 5 again? I believe that's what it was. It's the last one there, number 5. So now it happens. Where's my keys? When you go right now, no voltage. With ignition on, you're gonna see my battery's low, but you're gonna see voltage there. So I did is, this power probe has the ability to ground. So the cranking over, you see 11.5 volts now. And then when I ground it, the multimeter out there would have seen the same voltage. Ground it again. And that is my neutral safety switch bypass. Just need to ground that wire. So this wire right here, the neutral safety ground, these are body grounds right here. Going to connect those together, and that'll complete that circuit. I really like doing wiring. It doesn't bother me at all to go through and troubleshoot and source out what the issue is. I just tied those all together and I'm gonna solder them up. 350 degrees. Works just fabulous.